Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Amazon CloudFront for faster UI streaming step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the Amazon CloudFront console. Click on the Create Distribution button. Choose the web delivery method. In the origin settings, input the origin domain name. Set the origin path if you want to restrict access to a specific path. Select the appropriate origin protocol policy based on your origin's protocol. Scroll down to Distribution Settings. In the default cache behavior settings, select the Viewer Protocol policy. Choose Redirect HTTP to HTTPS for better security. Under Restrict Viewer Access, set it to Yes to enable signed URLs or cookies. Configure the trusted key groups to define which keys can access the content. Next, create a key group by navigating to the Key Groups section. Click Create Key Group, then assign a name to your key group. Add your public key that will be used for authorization. Go back to your CloudFront distribution and select this key group. Review your settings, then click Create Distribution. Wait for the distribution status to change from In Progress to Deployed. Once deployed, note your CloudFront distribution's domain name. Update your UI to use this CloudFront domain for streaming resources. To set up signed URLs, employ the SDK or a supported method to generate the URLs. Include the signature and expiration time in your signed URLs in the UI code. Test the configuration by accessing your UI and confirming that the streaming is functional. Adjust the cache policies as needed for optimal performance. Monitor performance via Amazon CloudWatch for ongoing optimization. Ensure you understand the billing implications associated with CloudFront usage. Continue to refine your implementation based on user feedback and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.